education for the Culinary Institute of America, San Antonio, the world's premier not-for-profit culinary college. I want to thank you for your interest in furthering your education at the CIA, and I'd love to take this opportunity to give you a brief tour of our new campus right here in Texas. The CIA San Antonio was founded in 2005 as the Centers for Foods of the Americas, and at that time, all of our classes were held in this small building right here behind me. In 2007, the CFA officially became the CIA's third campus. Realizing we needed to grow to meet the demands of those looking for a professional culinary education, we expanded from our original 5,000 square foot building to our 30,000 square foot building that you see right here. And have I got an amazing campus to show you? Come with me and let's check it out. From this vestibule, you can see into both our skills development kitchen as well as the Latin kitchen. This way, when you come to visit our campus, you'll be able to check out everything that our students are doing in the CIA's teaching kitchens. But enough peering through the glass. Let's take you into the skills kitchen. Our main skills kitchen is actually two different classrooms that were designed to support the CIA's core educational program. There are a total of 14 workstations in the skills kitchen, each equipped with its own pots, pans, stove, grill, counter space, sink, and refrigerators. This week, our students are studying breakfast and lunch cookery. Let's see what they are doing today. Renee, tell me what you're doing today.
A bunch of fruit platters for brunch and breakfast cookery.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Celeste, tell us a little bit about what you're making today.
Today I'm making a quiche Lorraine, and that's going to have our caramelized onions, bacon, Gruyere cheese.
Oh, that looks great. As a student here at the CIA, the food that you enjoy daily as part of your meals is all prepared by yourself and your peers. It's part of how our students expand their knowledge base by always experiencing new techniques and cuisines. And wow, does it make me hungry. But enough about breakfast and lunch. Let's go check out the Latin kitchen. As we pass through our entryway on our way into the Latin kitchen, you'll see these 12 nichos. These vibrantly colored inset boxes contain a collection of indigenous Latin American cooking tools and art on loan to the college from our supporters. Each one of them celebrates a different aspect of Latin cuisine or culture. With professional facilities located both indoors and outdoors, the Latin Kitchen is the world's premier culinary facility for educating students and professionals about the indigenous cooking techniques of Mexico and Latin America. The Latin Kitchen captures the heritage of Latin America with Talavera tile walls, a wood-fired oven, a Latin foods demonstration theater, and 6 cooking suites. Now that we've seen the inside Latin Kitchen, here's the amazing outdoor Latin Kitchen, the Kikkoman Outdoor Live Fire Pavilion. In this kitchen, the students in the Cuisines of the Americas class learn to work with the authentic cookware such as the comal, the parrilla grill, and the in-ground barbacoa pit. There is no other kitchen like this at any culinary college in the nation. And here's where you also find the CIA San Antonio's innovative student-staffed restaurant, Neo, a spectacular showcase for flavors of the New World. Neo's menu features Latin American dishes rooted in tradition and creatively reinterpreted using new perspectives, ingredients, and techniques. Students in the CIA degree programs work in both the kitchen and dining room of Neo as they explore the flavors of Mexico, Central and South America, and the islands of the Caribbean. Let's go upstairs and see what's happening on the 2nd and 3rd floors at the CIA San Antonio. Welcome to the Dunkin' Donuts Bake Shop. We don't make Dunkin' Donuts here, but Dunkin' Brands helped us build this home base for our associate degree program in baking and pastry. Here, students create hearth and specialty breads, desserts, pastry, patisserie, confections, and more during extensive hands-on classes that prepare them for successful careers as baking and pastry professionals. Adjacent to the bake shop are 3 new classrooms that can be converted into conference space that can accommodate events of up to 300 people. Equipped with its own demonstration theater that is connected via video to both the demo theater in the Latin kitchen as well as the outdoor kitchen, this space offers great functionality for student events, conferences, and demonstrations. Okay, let's go up one more flight to check out our 3rd floor. The third floor features a new student computer lab as well as our research library with sweeping views of the San Antonio skyline. All these books and resources are available for use by the students of the CIA, and the number of books here in the library grows every week. Thank you for your interest in the Culinary Institute of America, San Antonio. We look forward to welcoming you to our Texas campus soon.